How to add two-factor authentication to your Binance account using Google Authenticator. So first you will need to open up your Binance app and make sure you're signed into your account. Now you will need to click on the three vertical lines on the top left right here. And then you want to click on your account or profile. And then go to the security tab. And from here you want to click on Authenticator app. And from here you can add or remove the authenticator. So when you add the authenticator, it's going to give you a code that you can copy from here. And then you will need to open up your Google Authenticator app and click on the plus button at the top right or the bottom right, but you might not see it on the screen due to the protection permissions on the app. And then you want to click on enter a setup key. And then you will simply need to paste the key copied from Binance, and you can give it a name. So for example, Binance account. And then you can click on add. You can leave the type of key as time-based. And once you add it, you should be able to see a 6-digit key that changes every minute, I think, which you can use to sign into your Binance account as a two-factor authentication code. And that's pretty much it for this video. Subscribe if you find this helpful, and see you on the next one.